Coverage continues now with more people able to get tested for COVID-19 antibodies. This week, Hartford HealthCare's GoHealth Urgent Care centers started doing those tests. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland explains now how they work.
This is one of 13 GoHealth Urgent Care centers here in the state, and they're offering this antibody testing, which will show you whether or not you've been exposed to COVID-19 or were previously infected.
It's a simple, small blood test that we take, and what it can tell us is if people have IgG antibodies, which is a fancy term of saying that you have been either exposed in the past to the COVID-19 infection or you yourself has been infected.
Kelsey Berger, the lead physician assistant with GoHealth Urgent Care Centers, tells us they did about 260 antibody tests yesterday in Connecticut.
I think that it provides a lot of comfort to people to know that they felt sick, they felt like something was not right, and to know that they could have possibly had this infection.
While antibody testing can give us an idea of just how widespread the outbreak is, the fear is that it could also give those who test positive a false sense of security. So Berger stresses she's been telling patients the presence of antibodies doesn't mean you've developed an immunity.
It can tell us if you've been exposed in the past or if you yourself had it. What it doesn't tell us is whether you can get it again.
Those looking to get the antibody test can register online for a time slot. Once the blood is drawn, it gets sent to the lab. Results are typically available in 2 to 3 days, in which the provider shares with the patient and also the Department of Public Health.
I think it's going to help a lot of researchers and scientists in the future know how many people were actually exposed. If they had it in the past, did they develop antibodies, did they not? And if they get it again, did they have the antibodies versus did they not?
The antibody testing is free for those with insurance, Medicare, and Medicaid. And GoHealth tells us they've also launched a return to work program, which would allow companies to get their employees tested so they can know whether or not they're safe and get them back on the job. With the mobile newsroom in Meriden, Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.